The sliding door malfunctions after she enters. She taps her smart glasses to switch to night mode. She operates a robotic arm to move heavy cargo. She plugs her tablet into an outlet on the street lamp. Her portable medical scanner fits in the palm of her hand. A satellite relays her message across the ocean in seconds. She reads the specifications of the household robot on a floating display. An automaton serves her a cup of tea at the café. The city alarm sounds for the third consecutive morning. She devises a route through the underground tunnels. The sliding door malfunctions after she enters. She taps her smart glasses to switch to night mode. She operates a robotic arm to move heavy cargo. She plugs her tablet into an outlet on the street lamp. Her portable medical scanner fits in the palm of her hand. A satellite relays her message across the ocean in seconds. She reads the specifications of the household robot on a floating display. An automaton serves her a cup of tea at the café. The city alarm sounds for the third consecutive morning. She devises a route through the underground tunnels.